How to transfer money. The best money transfer methods are PayPal, Google Wallet, Venmo, OFX, Western Union. Here are the main characteristics of each of them. Transferring money with Western Union. Depending on where you need to transfer money, Western Union's extensive worldwide network could be your best bet. The platform transacts in more than 200 countries and territories, in more than 130 currencies, giving it a wider overall reach. Online international transfers start with a $10,000 limit, but you can request to raise that limit in your online account. The main drawback to Western Union is its fees, which start at $5 for standard delivery, to select currencies and countries. Delivery time for this method is typically 3 to 5 business days. Wire transfers, which have a shorter estimated delivery time of 1 to 2 business days, cost $22. The recipient's bank may charge extra fees, on top of Western Union's fees, so be sure to do your research before transferring money. If you're not in a hurry and the recipient lives in an eligible country, you can choose to send a draft check at no fee. This method takes 10 to 15 business days to deliver the money, and the recipient will be responsible for cashing the check at their bank or financial institution. Western Union doesn't explicitly state its protections to fraud victims, but the company urges consumers to adopt best practices when transferring money. That means never sending money to a stranger, and not falling prey to scams that seem too good to be true. You can contact Western Union to report fraudulent activity, but there's no guarantee you'll get your money back. Transferring money with PayPal. If you want to send money to friends or family, the chances are good that they have a PayPal account. PayPal is the most commonly used smartphone app to send money. That's probably because it's so convenient to use. You can send up to $10,000 in a single transaction, once you verify your account. Once the recipient receives the money, it usually takes just 1 business day to transfer it to their bank account. What's more, PayPal offers free money transfers within the US, when you use your PayPal balance or a bank account. If you use a debit or credit card to send money to family or friends, you'll pay a fee of 2.9%, plus 30 cents of the amount you send. You can also send money overseas, in more than 100 currencies. The total fees for international transfers depend on the currency. When you send money through PayPal, the recipient doesn't see your financial information, like your credit card or bank account number. And if you purchase a good or service through PayPal, you'll get added purchase protection in case of fraud. Transferring money with Google Wallet. Google Wallet is free to use, regardless of the type of transfer. What sets it apart from the competition, though, is its speed. Google Wallet is best if you send money to someone who has a debit card as their default payment method in Google Wallet. When you send money using your own debit card, the payment will usually appear in their debit card-linked bank account, within minutes. If you send or receive money using a bank account, however, it can take up to 4 days, in some rare cases, for the transfer to complete. The maximum amount you can transfer in a single transaction is $9,999, or up to $50,000 in 5 days. Florida residents can send up to $3,000 every 24 hours. Google Wallet does not allow for overseas money transfers. Google Wallet is mainly for peer-to-peer payments, so it doesn't offer much in the way of purchase protection. However, you won't be liable for verified unauthorized transactions. Transferring money with Venmo. Owned by PayPal, Venmo is sort of a social network for money transfers. You can add friends and see their transactions, but not the amounts, in your account feed. Venmo transfers are free if you use your Venmo balance, bank account, debit card, or prepaid debit card. If you choose to send money using a credit card, you'll pay a fee of 3%. Bank transfers typically take 1 business day. There's a weekly rolling limit of $2,999.99 for sending funds through Venmo once you verify your identity. There's also a $2,000 limit per transaction, for authorized merchant payments, and a rolling weekly limit of $4,999.99, for all transactions combined. Venmo doesn't provide any buyer or seller protection, so we recommend using this platform only with people you know and trust. Transferring money with OFX. OFX is a relatively inexpensive platform for international money transfers. The platform doesn't charge any transfer fees, and has no transfer limits to most major currencies. It does, however, have a $150 transfer minimum. OFX allows you to transfer money to 190 countries, in 55 different currencies. The transfer time depends on the country you're sending money to, but in most cases it takes 1 to 2 business days. Once you send money through OFX, you'll get email notifications, so you can track the transfer's progress. OFX employs fraud prevention technology to identify suspicious activity, and to keep you from falling victim to would-be thieves.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,